Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Learn Chinese with Memes.
Alright, let's start with the first one, and here we go.
He's saying, 拍马屁.
I'm surprised you know every single character. But do you know what it means?
Well, he's patting the horse's bum. So, I guess that, but there must be a deeper meaning.
So there is a little bit historical background to this. In Yuan Dynasty, when China was ruled by the Mongolia, it was the fashion to have horses. And so everyone go on the street, taking their horses out, and they compliment on each other with their horses. So for example, if I see Jonathan with his horse, I would be patting on the ass of Jonathan's horse, saying, 好马, it's a great horse. And then Jonathan will be very happy to hear that. And gradually it evolved. It becomes a thing that no matter if it's a good horse or not, people would go on and say, 好马, so patting on the ass of the horse.
It was a golden age for ugly horses then.
Probably, yeah. So 拍马屁 kind of becomes a thing to mean that you are complimenting on somebody regardless of the condition of this thing. So you are ass kissing somebody essentially. So if 我拍 Jonathan 的马屁 means I am saying good things about him just to please him.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so 拍马屁.
拍马屁.
Alright, next one up, this dog.
你放屁. Fang pi is fart, right? I can see that the dog is farting his way into the sky. Yeah.
What does that mean?
It looks like a huge fart. Like the kind of fart you would do after ordering Indian takeaway. No, or Chinese takeaway.
放屁 generally means you are bullshitting. So 你放屁 means you're bullshitting. You can't be serious.
Okay.
So this dog is just bullshitting in that case.
Got it. Got it.
Okay, so 你放屁. Are you still laughing? Cool.
I am not sure.
Okay, at the bottom, the word is 祝福. It means best wishes. The Chinese New Year is coming, and if you want to send any good wishes, it would be 祝福你, wish you best of luck. But here, why is this face covered by a gigantic lemon?
Sour, I would guess. Making best wishes, but he's actually not meaning it.
Actually, precisely that. A lemon is sour. When we say, oh gosh, I'm actually quite jealous, it would be, oh, 我酸了, I feel sour. And now we just call this person has turned into a lemon, 柠檬, when we obviously see somebody's turned sour. So here there is somebody saying, oh, best of luck, but actually his whole face is a lemon. So that's most likely a very sarcastic and sour wish. That is 柠檬.
柠檬. So would you just use this very openly? You give somebody your wishes, your best wishes, but then you put that meme just to say, I'm giving you my wishes, but
I'm actually sour.
Because I'm jealous, right? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So here's another couple of lemon. 我不酸. So I am not sour. In the meantime, you can see the sky is a lemon, there is lemon flying around, and there are lemon juice, lemonade. So apparently another saying something when you don't mean it.
Is that 美? 美对象.
对象 is a specific word. It can mean a lot of things, but most of the time it means a partner in a romantic sense. This guy or girl is crying and over the fact that 没对象. So I don't have a boyfriend, girlfriend. Cry.
Okay.
Okay. Like this one is just to warm you up about the word 对象. It's very widely used and a lot of memes talks about this. So now let's look at another one that is more interesting.
And it also warms you up to St. Valentine's Day, which is dangerously close. 做我对象行吗？不行的话，我做你对象。So, do you want to be my partner? Is that okay? If you say it's not okay, I will be your partner.
Yes, you
well,
got it.
Convenient, isn't it? That is quite convenient.
Very cheeky. This one.
Oh, so
two very judgmental ducks or geese there.
Inquisitive, yeah. Now, I'm not sure what the first character is, but the second line is 找到对象了吗? So, have you found a partner? So, the first line, I don't know what the first character is.
整天 like the whole day. Pretty much means all the time. So, 整天哈哈哈的.
Yeah, the whole day laughing.
Yeah.
And have you found your partner yet?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But it's like, I don't see you being serious at all. 整天哈哈哈的. Not being serious. Have you even found a partner? Now, as you can imagine, this is a typical kind of thing your parents would say when you go visit them or your relatives. 整天哈哈哈的，找到对象了没?
I think it's hilarious. Look how inquisitive those ducks are.
Almost scolding. 整天哈哈哈的.
Looking down on you.
Yeah. This one, I don't recommend you say this back, but something you can say as a response.
As a response to the ducks.
Yeah.
老子想怎样就怎样。What is 老子? What is it?
Okay, so 老子 is a very special word in Chinese. 老子 actually, that's how we pronounce it. 老子 with the light, there's no tone to the 子. So 老子 is actually means me, I.
Okay.
So 老子想怎样就怎样 means like you can't control me. I do whatever I want. So 老子想怎样就怎样 literally is the same as 我想怎样就怎样. But in Chinese we have this way of saying 我 in a sweary way.
You have a way to say myself while swearing?
Yes, we do.
Okay, that I think is the most entertaining part of this episode for me. 老子, you are swearing and you're saying me.
Yeah. Alright. Next one is for those who are in a relationship.
对，我没生气，开心的很。That's right. I am not angry. I am very happy.
And
She
then
doesn't look very happy.
Exactly, she doesn't look very happy. So this is basically the reaction of a girlfriend. I am angry, but I'm gonna say, I am not angry. I can't be more happy.
You have no idea how happy I am to know that this is universal. It happens in China, it happens in London, it happens in Italy, it happens everywhere. Beautiful.
Sounds like you've got a lot of exposure to women from different places, huh?
The women that think they are.
Thinking yourself a hole there. Okay,
Wonderful.
so 对，我没 没生气，我开心得很。So, oh, by the way, 得很 is a useful phrase as well to say it very. So, 我开心得很，我生气得很 means I'm very angry. 我饿得很 super hungry. Alright, so this one is the last one. Since we talked about 找对象 today, so I thought this one would be good. So here, the two sentences, they're different.
They're different.
Okay.
谁拿看不上？
谁都看不上。And 谁都看不上。
谁都看不上。
They look exactly the same, but they actually mean two different things. And that's my question for you. Can you guess what do these two sentences mean? Leave us a comment and we will review it in our next episode of Learn Chinese with Memes. Thank you for watching. Bye.
See you next time. Bye bye.